So the next and very important component is fat. Fat are also sources of energy. They are storing energy for future use. When our body uses fats, when there is shortage of carbohydrates, this stored energy will be used. Extra carbohydrates are converted to fats and stored in the body. Fats provide more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Fats are stored as a layer under the skin and help to keep our body warm. They also act as shock absorber and protect the organs in the case of a fall or an injury. Fat provide taste and flavor to food. This increases the palatability of food. We obtain fat-rich food from both plant as well as animals. From plants you can obtain fat in the form of oil like mustard oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, etc. Ghee and butter you can obtain from animals. Other fat containing foods are like fish, meat, nuts, eggs, whole grains, milk and cheese. Eating too much fat-rich food can lead to an abnormal weight gain, which is called as obesity, and which is very harmful, can lead to various diseases like high blood pressure, heart diseases, etc. So you must eat fat in an appropriate amount. Now, how you can test the presence of food in the food sample? For this you need food sample, example like nuts or any other fat containing food product. A sheet of white paper. What you have to do? You have to take small amount of food sample on a sheet of white paper, crush into small pieces. Rub the pieces on the paper. Wait for some time. The appearance of oily patches on the paper show that the food item contain fat. Now the very important component, proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of all the tissue of our body and they are known as body building food. The food which contain proteins are also called body building food. What is the importance of protein in our body? Cells in our muscles, organs, blood and even nails and hair are made up of proteins. Proteins are essential to build new cells and tissue. They repair damaged and worn out tissues. Proteins come from both plants and animal sources like egg, pulses, soya bean, nuts, gram, meat, fish, milk and paneer are high in proteins. Growing children, pregnant women and sick people need more proteins in their diet than normal adults because their body need to produce new cells and tissues for growth and development. So how you can test the presence of protein? For that you need food sample containing protein like egg white, copper sulfate solution, sodium hydroxide solution, also known as caustic soda. Now what you have to do? You have to take few drops of water and in that you have to add the crushed food sample. After that you have to add few drops of copper sulfate solution and then add sodium hydroxide solution. Mix well and just wait for 3 to 4 minutes. If it contains protein, it will turn into purple or violet. By this you will know that the food sample contains protein.